Today we're gonna bring in actually a digital notepad. So if you guys notice, you could write anything you want in here. And of course you can hit the button, it'll disappear. So you could use this over and over and over again. And you could give it to your child. You don't have to worry about ink. You don't have to worry about any paper. All you got to do is worry about that it's fully charged, fully equipped with the battery. And in the back there is a lock mechanism, so if you want to keep the painting or the drawing that you do, all you got to do is lock it in. That's pretty much you do. And if you guys notice, there's only takes one battery, and you do have to remove the actual Phillips right here and the one battery that retains the system. So there is no memory on this. It comes a little cartoon, digital inscribed cartoon in the back, beautiful, of a little pony in there. So if you want to keep the drawing, you have to lock it up. Right now we have a lock, so we could continue to draw. Now another thing is that you could save your little digital pen in here, but you do not really need your digital pen. You could actually use your finger to draw on it. And click away. Very simple, easy to use. As you can see, you could practice cursive. This is one thing you can do, practice cursive. Easy to do, and it'll teach the kids, very educational. Keep them drawing, keep their minds fresh, especially for summer. Get some new toys that are going to be with you forever. Easy to reset just by hitting little hearts. So let's put it in the proper hands.